Today I'm changing out this little intercooler. Not intercooler, is it called? Little transmission cooler. Transmission cooler, that's what it says. That's what it's called. This little one, you can't really see it. I'll take this off in a bit to show y'all. But this is what we're putting on. Southwest, hurry up. Sorry guys. Okay, so we're putting on this cooler. Look at this. Oh wait, it's coming in a bag, but I just dropped them out here when I opened it when they got here, so let me get this out the way. We're putting in this radiator. Why do I keep calling it radiator? Cooler. This cooler is way bigger than the other one, and it has some decent weight to it, so it should be good, you know. It's all about the weight. It's all about the weight, and oh, it came with hoses too. This hose. Actually, I was pretty surprised it came with this hose. It's pretty nice hose compared to the one that the cat shank came with, was a piece of shit. That one I had to buy. I thought I was gonna have to buy some hoses, but this one's pretty good. It comes with these hose clamps, or whatever you call these. Oh, no. Okay, so this is what the kit comes. Instructions, we don't need instructions. And yeah, so let me tear this apart. Y'all need to see that, because if y'all don't know how to do this, don't do it. Work on your truck, all right? Be right back. Oh, let me do that little thing people do. Bam! It worked. There you go. All right, guys. So this is the little one we're gonna change out for that big one. My transmission's overheating too much. So we got these two bolts here. Pretty sure the 10 mils. So take this. Well, before we take these off right here, there's two of them. We gotta disconnect these lines. So for right here, there's this little clip around. Okay, you can see on this one. Oh wait, there you go. See that thin clip around here? There's gonna be. You're gonna pull it out with some little. Usually use like a dentist toothpick. It's like a tool I have. It's not like an actual one, but it's so easy to pull that out, and then the hose just pops out. So make sure go right here to your junkyard. Take one. Oh, that went straight on my head. Watch out, wear a hard hat. Put this under. You don't make a mess in your driveway, because my pops be yelling at me. Anyways, so after that, we're gonna take these off. Let me get the little tool. Look for it. I gotta find it. I don't know where it's at. Oh no! See this thing? Actually, this one comes down and exposes this. Oh, this one's right here. Anyways. Oh, that's a horrible sound. Yeah, just pull these little tabs out. I'll show you once I get it out, or when I'm getting it out. I'm using comes from this set. So I use mine, right? That's why it looks like shit. But anyways, let's see. Look at this. So I pulled out a corner, pulled it out, and then you can just pull it from here. Just don't lose this little thing. It's gonna go flying. Oh. Ooh, but watch where your fingers are with the little thing. Okay. Let me see if I can get it, because we got this amazing lighting here. And you can just pull it. So this is what it looks like. Where is it at? Oh, there it goes. So real quick again. So see this? What? God, I need a camera guy. My camera guy not here. Oh, that's a horrible sound. Anyways, see the ends right here. So usually you can do this with the flathead probably. Actually, the ends right here. See this? How it popped out? And you can just pop it out all the way. Boom. Like the Russian hacker says, boom, look, boom. And it works. Boom. Oh yeah, don't lose these though. You'll be, if you lose these, you're done. Or actually, no, you don't want to need them for this. But don't lose them, guys. Put them somewhere. I might lose them there, honestly. But now, look at this. Look at this. Oh! Yeah, watch out with your fingers down there. Oh shit. Oh, that smells pretty bad. I just had a flush in this truck. It shouldn't be black. But damn, oh my pinky. Watch out with this one. See how this one goes. I'm gonna push it from down here. Okay, that was better. This one slammed me in the corner. Oh, then I don't provide health coverage for myself. So, anyways, guys, take these two off. Come back after take them off. My finger. Watch out, guys. Product right here. Put it back in the original bolts. Let me try to show you. Can y'all see? No, y'all cannot. No, wait. Let me try to slither this camera phone in there. Y'all see that? There you go. That right there is the original bolt with the little hanger thing off this radiator. I mean, why do I keep calling radiator? Cooler, trans cooler right here. The little top things, put them back there. I marked them and just drill them out with the little drill bit, and then put them back on. And then for the hoses, I mean, I didn't cut nothing because I could have cut them, made it a lot easier, but I didn't want to destroy these in case I need anything else to do, like a different cooler or something else. I mean, cutting them, I didn't want to cut them either ways. Anyways, I just put these little pieces of the hosing it came with, and these are kind of fit tight, so this one had to be shorter. This one could have been shorter, but I mean, it's okay now. But yeah, I mean, I put this bracket back on. It's holding it back because I'm getting pressure pushing it this way. And so, I mean, it doesn't move at least now. I got some space back there. Let's see, there you go. And then yeah, make sure you got your, pick this thing back up. This sensor, what is this? It's the airbag sensor. Jesus, man, stay right there. Anyways, yeah, so after that, well, I mean, you're basically done. You gotta put everything back, the grill, the light bar back where it goes, and hopefully it works, because my truck is overheating. Only because it was like 39 degrees out here, it wouldn't overheat, but it's starting to get harder now because I live in Texas, so it's always hot, cold, 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 hot, hot, hot. So hopefully that works, honestly, because I don't want to buy a tranny. Or actually, I don't want to drop it again. It was super hard. It took me about 2 days because I don't know how to do it. I was learning on the way. But all right, guys, let's do a little thing again. All right, ready? Y'all ready for this? Guys, so here's the exhaust now. I'm gonna try to put y'all, I don't got a camera dude or a stand. I'm gonna try to put y'all in a spot that works behind a tire. Hopefully I don't fall. All right, guys. Gauges are good. I don't know about this one though, because it's still not hot, but should be good, guys. And yeah, hit the subscribe button, I guess, if you want. I don't know what you guys like, but anyways, later, guys.